Hello. There are 4 advantages of the cooking oil refiner for frying. First, it is used to refine the oil and use in the fryer and reuse it as clean oil. Fluoride in the frying content may fall into the oil during frying and stick to the heater, causing them to burn. Also, the powers of the contents may be included in the oil during frying to thicken the oil. In this case, you can use the refiner to clean the fryer oil tank and reuse it as clear and clean oil. In addition, when cleaning the fryer at the end of the day, the refiner nozzle is used to easily and conveniently remove the debris inside the fryer, reducing cleaning time. Thirdly, it is used to replenish the oil in closed fryers. Finally, when changing oil, it is easily used to put the waste oil into a container through the refiner. In this way, the oil refiner provides convenience to us in frying. Thank you.